What's up, guys? It's Chevy Silverado. It's Kobe. Y'all, Cat-Eye. Chevy Cat-Eye. And I'm going to show y'all what I got to do. First, got to get it repainted. Then I got to get a new battery. I'm going to show y'all up under the hood. This is the inside right now. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. I would crank it for y'all, but the battery's dead. I'm gonna crank it for y'all this weekend. But yeah, Cat-Eye, V8, Vortec. I gotta get it clean, get tires for it. I gotta get taking off my toolbox, taking everything from back here. Hey, y'all want to see the pipes? Glass pack. Might have to cut those or keep them stock. Let me show y'all my brother's truck. Dodge Ram Mega Cab 1500. But yeah, this is my truck. The only reason it hasn't been moved, not old enough to drive it. But when I am, I'm gonna hit y'all back up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if y'all want another view of the truck, comment, like and subscribe, comment. This is Chevy Silverado, Kobe, out.